How to drive traffic to your open house. Hi everyone, I'm Ashraful Islam, and I'm a real estate research expert. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips on how to drive traffic to your open house. Open houses are a great way to show off a property to potential buyers, but they can only be successful if people know about them. Here are a few tips on how to drive traffic to your open house. Choose the right time. The best time for an open house is typically on the weekend, but you can also have one during the week in the evening. Invite your neighbors. Your neighbors are likely to be interested in seeing the property, especially if it's undergone significant remodeling. Promote the event online. Share the open house details on the property's MLS listing and on social media. You can also partner with influencers to promote the event to their audience. Place signs strategically. Put up signs around the neighborhood to let people know about the open house. Partner with local businesses. Partner with local businesses to promote the open house. For example, you could partner with a home decor store or a moving company. Offer exclusive perks and incentives. Offer things like gift cards, refreshments, or special deals to encourage people to attend the open house. Get creative. Make your open house stand out by getting creative with the theme or by offering unique experiences. By following these tips, you can drive traffic to your open house and increase your chances of selling the property. If you have any questions about how to drive traffic to your open house, please leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips.